Hello and welcome back to the Awesome Math YouTube channel where we're trying to make math easy and fun to learn. Today we'll be covering 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication part 2. In this video, similar to part 1, we'll be covering 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication questions and making them easier and faster to complete, but we'll be dealing with a little more harder questions than before. Okay, so assuming you've watched the first one, and if you haven't, I hope you must do, because you won't understand what I'm trying to do here if you don't. Okay, so let's start off. Our first question, let's say, is 26 times 34. Again, we will start off with our 3 dashes, and we will do our multiplication. So, the tens digit by the tens digit is 2 times 3, so 6, and 6 times 4, 24. So, this is where putting it on the bottom comes more into play, because you're going to have a lot of numbers that are being carried. So, we will have to put, 6 here, and a 2-digit number can't go into single digits place, as I mentioned multiple times in the video before. And we put the 4 here, and carry the 2. Okay, next, we'll continue with inside-outside. 6 times 3 is 18, and 2 times 4 is 8. We add them together, and we get 26. So, we put the 6 here, and we carry the 2 over here. So now, we're going to do our final calculations and find out our answer. We're going to start working from this way instead of going this way, because we're having to carry more things. Okay, so we'll go 4, 8, and 8, and our answer will be 884. Okay, next, we'll do another question to make sure we understand. And let's say, this question will be 38 times 35. Again, we'll start off with our 3 dashes and do 3 times 3, 9. Sorry, my bad, I meant to put it on the bottom. And 8 times 5, 40. We'll put the 0 here and carry over the 4. And then we'll do inside, outside. 8 times 3, 24. 3 times 5, 15. And we'll get our answer of 39 after adding them together. So we'll put the 9 here and carry over the 3. And do our final calculations and get 0, 4 plus 9. See, this is where carrying comes a lot into play. Oh, my bad, I meant to put it on the bottom. And this is why you want to keep it on the bottom of the dashes. And 4 plus 9 is 13, and we have another carry. And 1 plus 3 plus 9 is 13. So our final answer will be 1,330, or in other words, 1330. Okay, so now I will assign you some questions to make sure that you understand the topic. And these questions will be 44 times 29 and 68 times 14. Okay, so now you can pause the video here so that you have time to solve the questions. I'll be giving the answer in a couple of seconds. Okay, so now we'll start, and I hope that you understood how to do it. And now let's start on with the solving. Again, we will start out with our 3 dashes, and we will do the tens digit by the tens digit, which is 8, the ones digit by the ones digit, which is 36. So remember, we can't have a double digit in a single digit place, so we will carry over the 3, and then we'll do our inside outside. So 4 times 2, 8, plus 4 times 9, 36, which is 44. We'll put the 4 here and carry over the 4 here, and we'll do our final calculations and get an answer of 1,276, or 1276. I hope you got that right. And if you didn't, look back and see where you could have gone wrong so that you know what to do right next time. Okay, moving on to the next question. We'll do our 3 dashes, and I'll draw them a little bit lower this time because I messed up my thing. And we will do the tens digit by the tens digit. And 6 times 1 is 6, and the 1's a digit. And 8 times 4 is 32. So we put the 2 here and carry over the 3. And then we do inside, outside. So 8 times 1 is 8, and 6 times 4 is 24. So we add them up and we get 32. So we put the 2 here and carry over the 3. And then we calculate it all and get our final answer of 952. I hope you got that right, and I also hope that you understood the topic. And if you have any questions or want more practice problems, please ask below in the comments, and I'll be sure to respond with either a link or an answer to your question. Thank you.